Hi everyone, it's Shell here from Designs by Shell. Thanks for joining me today. Today I wanted to share with you some more gift card holders. In a previous video I had created some gift card holders that were a fancy fold gift card holder. That was these ones. And I had a couple more that I was wanting to finish up. And so those ones I wanted to use some plaid paper. And so I finished two more, and I was just going to show you here what I've done here. So you can refer back to the other video to get the instructions for this. But I just want to show you how pretty it was with the plaid papers. So that's what I've done for these last couple here. So that's that one. And then there's this one. This is a really pretty plaid paper. It's got some nice gold in there. And I did the same message on there as those previous ones. I just put a little puffy sticker on this one with a little reindeer on there that was cute. And it looks like that, and then your gift card just tucks right into there. So those are the last two that I wanted to show you before I get started on the next ones here. So now I've carried on and decided to make a few more little gift card holders. And these ones are, like, I'm calling them really simple because they're just like one little piece of paper and a few embellishments, and you can decorate them however you like. I'll show you them here. So here's what I did is just taken a small piece of cardstock in a red background, 5 inches by 4 1/4, and basically just scored it in half, and then I've decorated it. So it looks like this. So you put your gift card right in here, and I'll tell you what I've used here for the front decoration. I've used this die cut in this gift tag shape, and that's what I put on the front. And then I just added a little baker's twine there to decorate it, and a few layering pieces with the gold foil and the white scallop there, and then I stamped Merry Christmas. I also had a tiny little stamp that is right here, this little pine branch, and so I've stamped a couple of those out, and I had a little tiny die cut for that as well, so I die cut them out. And then on this one, I put them on little 3D squares on the back to raise them up. And I just kind of, I stamped them in green, but then I kind of added a little extra dimension with a coloring pen to make that stand out a little more. Then on the inside, what I've done is use these photo corners. You've probably seen these. And you just take 2 of these, and they have sticky adhesive on the back, so you put 2 on here just almost right at the middle score line there, and then that's what you're going to put your gift card in. So it just goes in really easy. It stays snug in there. And then on the bottom here, I had these stickers, and I thought that would just be a nice addition. I just left it on the sticky back and just cut it around it with my fancy scissors, and then that's ready to write who the gift card is for. So I thought that was really sweet and simple, and you know, it's something small, so it's kind of a fun way to do it. And here's the second one. So this one, just a different plaid that I've used and done the same way. And this one, I've got the silver corners in there. Let's see, I don't have another gift card handy, but you could, oh, that card's too big. I guess I'll have to show you with this one. So you could just pop your card in here like so. There we go. And then this one, I just cut out a smaller tag in the plaid and added a little label sticker to that. And that's from these here, just a simple label sticker. So if you don't have anything, you know, fancy like the other one here, you can just use a basic label sticker, decorate it a little bit if you want. This one, I just added a gold star in there, and I printed "To" and "Love From" on there. So really simple, but they're kind of fun to do. So we're gonna go ahead and put one of those together. Okay, so I've got my piece of red cardstock here. It's cut 5 inches by 4 1/4, and now I'm just gonna score it in half at 2 1/2. Nice score line there. And that's it for that. And we'll just fold it in half. There we go. Okay, now we're gonna start to decorate it here. Now I've already cut out my tag that I wanted to use in this pretty green and navy plaid with a little gold on there. I have tied on the baker's twine, so it looks like that, and then this is going to go on my card like this. So I'll just get some, I guess I'll use tear and tape today for this. I need to reload my snail tape so that it's ready to go, but for now this will work. The snail goes a little quicker, but that's okay. Okay, so you just basically line this up. Doesn't have to be perfect, but there we go. Okay, and then I've got this pretty gold foil scallop that I've die cut, and this one here that I've stamped on, it says Merry Christmas, and the little pine leaf. So first I'm going to put this onto the gold foil. You can see that there. Just kind of center it. It's pretty quick and easy there. And then I'll put the some tear and tape on the back here, so we can put that on. Just kind of center it on the gift tag here. That's pretty good. So that looks good. And then I have these little tiny pine leaves that I've die cut and stamped. And when I first did this, the green that I used for the ink was a little bright, and I didn't like it too much. So a little tip was to that I found worked was just to put a tiny bit of black onto the pine leaf, and then because it's a clear stamp, you can actually stamp right over it again and just get a little of the dimension on there. Just makes it, I don't know, look a little softer, I think, or gives a little more dimension to the leaves. So now I'm going to just put some tear and tape on the back of those, or maybe I'll use the 3D dots for those. And okay, those so I've got the little 3D squares on the back of there, and I'm just going to kind of position these on here. You can sort of put them any way you like. That looks good. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the inside. And for that, we're going to need these little, the embossed photo corners. So I think I'll use, it says gold on the front, so yeah, I'll use the gold ones. Just take 2 of those. And what I found, the easiest way to make sure you've got it spaced right and lined up, stick your gift card in one corner, and then just lay it, sort of center it there. And then you can stick that one on, and then kind of come over to this side and put that one on, and then you can stick it down. So that's in there really well. Okay, and then for where you want to write your message, I've got another one of these stickers. Now I could leave it fancy like that, or I could peel it off and just have that little sticker part. So maybe I'll do that today. We'll just put this in the center, like so, and then you can write to or from on there, and you could add some little more decoration in there if you wanted. Could add another little pine leaf in there, you know, or the other one I added a star in there. So it just gives you some ideas, but I think that turned out really cute, and these might be some gift card holders that you're interested in making. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.